In today's lecture, we will learn about summarize columns. In the prior lecture, we have learned about summarize function, but today we will learn about summarize column. So let's write one SQL query so that we can get the same result with the help of summarize columns. So let me write one select string from dim product subcategory. In join products P on P dot subcategory is equal to product category. We need product subcategory. So sub dot subcategory key. Then we need another inner join sales S on S dot product key is equal to P dot product key. So here we need, instead of subcategory, we need subcategory key. And now we need to execute to see it if it works. So we are getting some rows, and let's write some required information that we need from these tables. The first one is the subcategory name, English subcategory name, and the other one we need, so we can use alias sub dot, and then we need P dot color order date key. So now we can write count and here we need to write the name of this column, sub total transactions. That's all. And we need these two columns in group by. So we can execute. So here you can see we are having 24 rows, and these are the English product subcategory. This is the color, and this is the total number of transaction per product and per color. So we need to filter out those categories which have products color blue. So we need to write here where P dot color is equal to blue. So now we need to execute it, and here you can see we are getting 3 rows. So now we need to achieve the same result in DAX. So let's move to the DAX studio, and here we can write evaluate, and then this is the new function summarize column. And in summarize column we don't need to specify any table name, so we can just we need to specify the columns. The first one is the dim product category English subcategory name, and then the second column is product color, and then we need the aggregated column, so that is total transactions. It will be count sales and order date key. So we need to close it, and let's hit enter. We will need to click run, and here you can see we're getting 24 rows, and these are the some products, colors, and these are the transactions. In the prior lecture, for the filtering purpose, we have added here filter function, but with the help of summarize column, we can use filter here, filter, and then we need to provide the product table, and the other one is products color is equal to blue. We need to close it, and this is the filter, and now we need to click run. So here you can see we are getting 3 rows, and these are the underlying data. So we are getting the same data, 1283 for the bikes and 562 for the vests. So if you see here, 562 for the vest, so we are getting here 562 for the vest and the other sum. So this is how we can achieve the same result with the help of summarize column. So the only difference between summarize column and summarize is, in summarize we need to provide one table name and then we need to provide the other columns, but we can't use the filters inside summarize. But on the other hand, when we use summarize column, we don't need to specify table name, we just need to specify the different columns that belong to different tables, and then we have to provide one filter function. This is optional, and then we need to specify the aggregated column on which we need to do some calculation. So that's all.